I am a strawberry. It is red and tasty. I am a cherry. It is small and red. I am an apricot. It is orange and soft. I am a pomegranate. It has many red seeds.
I am a kiwi. It is green inside. I am a papaya. It is orange inside. This is a banana. It is yellow and soft.
I am a raspberry. It is red and soft.
I am a mango. It is sweet and delicious.
I am a coconut. It has water inside.
I am a blueberry. It is small and blue. I am a lemon. It is yellow and sour.
I am a lime. It is small and sour.
I am a banana. I am yellow and soft.
I am a pear. It is green and juicy. I am a dragon fruit. It looks very beautiful.
I am a peach. It is soft and sweet.
I am a watermelon. It is big and full of water.
I am a fig. It is sweet and healthy.
I am a pineapple. It has a hard skin.
I am a guava. It smells very nice.
I am an orange. It is round and juicy.
I am an apple. I am red and sweet.